Hello, this video is to help you use the power of Google Sheets to do a lot of math for you. Instead of using your calculator all the time, you've got a lot of numbers to run, especially in this next coming lab or in future labs that you're going to be having. This is going to really help you out. So you can see in the columns A and B, I've just got some made up data. I've got pennies in column A and volume in column B. Now, if I want to find the average of the volume, I could just bust up my calculator, 23 plus 45 plus 66, blah, 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 blah. Or you can do the power of Google Sheets to make life easier. If I put an equal sign and then type an average, boop, you can see it starts to kind of think, oh, what do you want? This one is a suggested, that's why it's got the green on there. Those are usually common things which you're going to use. I'm going to click on that, and it actually already populates what it thinks my average I want to do, anything that's above it. And that's exactly what I want. If you take a look at the formula, I'm going to average B2 down to B9. That's exactly what I want. I'll hit enter. Boom. I got my average right there. You can use this for median, mode. I use it all the time when I'm doing your grades. So there we go. There's an average. Let's say I wanted to add two columns. This is my adding column. I'm going to say equals this plus this. Hit enter. Look, it did it for me. Perfect. What if you want to do that all the way down? See how I've got this blue box, and it's got this dark blue box in the corner. I put my cursor over it until it makes that X. Let me show it to you again. Put it over until it makes that X. At that point, I'm going to left click and hold it down, and then drag down the box and let go. It actually did that formula all the way down. Take a look at this box down here. 205. You could take 70 plus 135 and you'd see it's 205. I can also look at my formula box here. B9 plus A9, that's exactly what I want to add, 205. Let's say I want to divide things, which you're going to have to do here. I'm going to go equals sign 10 divided by the volume. Enter. Once again, put your box on what the formula just did. Get that X or the cross thing. Hold left down till you drag that box down, and boom, the formula is for all of them. You can do things one after the other. I'm actually going to find the natural log of, not my volume, I'm kind of going to change it up here. I'm going to do the natural log of my dividing column. I can easily do that. I'm going to go equals sign, L, and see it already starts populating. I'm going to do the ln of this box right here. Boom. Cursor, bring it on down. Clearly I don't have a number here, so I couldn't put one there, so it's trying. I'll just delete that spot. Man, that makes life so much easier. I hope it helps you for labs in AP Chem and labs in the future.